Hi there everyone and welcome once again to the Weather Centre. Before we take a look at your forecast for tomorrow, let's start off with our satellite imagery. And a cold front has finally reached our shores today. Although it's a fairly decent front, we're only catching the tail end of it over the Western Cape, and that's brought just a few drops of light rain to that province. It's been another clear day in the north with a westerly flow over the area, and that brought a weak bergwind to parts of the Lowveld and KwaZulu-Natal, where temperatures rose into the 30s this afternoon. Heading into tomorrow, with the cold fronts passing to the east of the country, we are expecting cooler air to move in over those areas, especially for KZN and the Eastern Cape. While over the Western Cape, there'll still be a fair amount of cloud. There could still be a couple of light showers for parts of that province, and we'll look at that in just a moment. For the rest of South Africa, sunshine continuing, very little change from what we've had over the last few days. Here we see KwaZulu-Natal is going to be cooler, almost all of the province remaining below 25 degrees. Quite a bit of cloud moves in for the coastal areas later on. And in the Eastern Cape, we see quite a drop in temperature for this province as well. 20 degrees is a high for Elliot and Beshu. Fairly cloudy weather for some areas along the coastline. There's even a small chance for a few light showers from Port Elizabeth further westwards towards Mossel Bay, while over the Karoo areas it's going to remain dry, although partly cloudy. Quite a bit of cloud along the west coast, but we don't expect any rainfall over the area, while further inland over the mountainous regions there is a small chance for 1 or 2 showers. Cooler air reaches parts of the Northern Cape high ground, while as you head northwards over the province, temperatures will be higher for the afternoon. And after another frosty morning in the Free State, it will be a pleasant enough afternoon, 23 degrees as your high in Bloemfontein. Temperatures getting above 25 for almost all of the northwest. Mahikeng, you get to a very pleasant 26 degrees with sunny skies. And the sunshine continues for Limpopo, where it will be another hotter day in the Lowveld, Musina reaching a maximum of 32. Hot as well for the low-lying areas of eastern Mpumalanga, while on the Highveld it's going to be a mild day, 22 as your maximum in Ermelo, and very little change in the forecast for Gauteng, 24 degrees as your high in Johannesburg as well as Vereeniging. Winds are expected to be light for Thursday afternoon over almost all of South Africa, while a moderate northwesterly wind extends from Springbok through to De Aar in the Northern Cape. A look ahead to Friday, when an upper air trough will be moving in over the Western Cape, bringing in a better chance of showers over that province. And on Saturday, while that province will be clearer and drier, a couple of showers will be likely over parts of the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.